Section 2. Importance of networking in the cloud and GCP uniqueness in networking. In this video, we're going to take a look at what makes Google Cloud Platform's networking a bit different, Google-grade security, and how the pricing works. In the cloud, we work with hundreds of thousands of PCs at a time, and then we cluster them together and make them communicate to achieve almost impossible tasks. Google's big data technology innovations like MapReduce, Bigtable, and Dremel, as well as more recent breakthrough services and frameworks for cloud data warehousing, advanced machine learning, batch and real-time data processing, intelligent data preparation, and stunning visual analytics of near-live data. None of this would have been possible without super advanced networking capabilities. Google has an advantage of having thousands of miles of fiber optic cables. They make use of advanced software-defined networking and have edge caching services all around the world. All of this, and Google still tries to be as environmentally friendly as possible, working with only renewable energy sources whenever they have the opportunity.